Hello again, everybody. My name is JK Anand, and welcome to a classroom for mental and manual experiment, and to another episode of brain busting experiment. Join me, my friends, and I as we endeavor to cut the law of physics with a broken glass. In today's class, it's going to be a challenge for my friends Deborah and Dorothy and Prince. So you are going to take up today's challenge. Now I'll set up a challenge for you. This is going to be the first challenge on the channel. I don't know how difficult it's going to be, but I know you can take at least an hour or more to break this challenge. So we need 2 bottles and a meat using the ruler as our weight. We also need what? An empty bottle. I'll put it somewhere here, and an empty bottle. Oh. We need an empty bottle. This is taste. And then your challenge is to move this empty bottle from side A to side B using only the straw. Now you can use a straw on any part of it, but you cannot make a knot or tie a knot. And the challenge is to transport it from this side over the meat to this side, okay? So put your physical powers together and try to crack the challenge. And if I were to do so, the Coca-Cola is yours for the drink. So go for it. You have all the time for yourself. Let's put it here. Let it go over without touching the meat or the roux. And please, if you go through and you lost out of challenge, I have my smiling friend here. We just call it for the solution. It shouldn't touch it. It's look an impossible challenge. Wow, they've thrown in the towel, and that is an abiding trait of learners. Okay, I was a bit scared because we almost close to the solution to the challenge. Now it's a little bit simple, but the solution is what? It's sneaky as well. This is because I put some 2 roadblocks in setting up the challenge. The first one, I laid the bottles down, I didn't bring it up, which made you believe that by bringing it closer, you can flip it over and then it will be solved. But the challenge is that you are not supposed to. There should not be any contact between the bottle and then the roux. This means that it should move over or fly over completely. So how do you do this? The only thing to use is what? Is the straw. And straw are very what? They are close friends to bottles. So what you do is that, I say what? You can use it on any part. It means you can use it within and what? And outside. And all the outside options prove futile. So the only place to get solution from may be what's the inside. And as well, you cannot move it straight. Anytime you lift it, it will come out as well. Okay? So what you do that, you make a small V at any end. Because this space is already flexible, it's not very comfortable. So make what? A small V over here. It looks like a check for it. Then you put it through the color of the through the neck of the bottle. And then you lower it down through the neck. And as you get to the shoulder of the bottle, it will clear. And immediately it clears. Okay. So consider it is now hanging. So by this, you're able to move it anywhere. You get me? No matter how tall the bridge is, it can still go further and what? And then move it. Is it interesting? Okay. So, but yes, you're still qualified to take the drink. So, this is yours. This is yours. Thanks very much for watching, and see you again in the next episode.